Hello everyone, you are with the InStyle Knitting Studio. This time, we will look at the second method of knitting extended stitches. In this method, we will draw the stitches upward. We learned how to pull stitches downward in the previous lesson. I will leave a link under the video. For the sample, I knitted 15 chain stitches and 2 rows of single crochets. Also, for those who do not know how to do this, I will leave links for you. Check below this video. To transition to the next row, we make 1 chain stitch and turn our work. At the beginning of the row, I make a regular single crochet. This is needed to ensure that my edge is neat and beautiful. Now let's start knitting the extended stitch. We insert the hook into the next stitch of the previous row. We wrap the working yarn around the hook, with the yarn coming towards us, and the hook towards us. We made a yarn over. After that, we catch the yarn that is falling from the index finger with the hook, moving the hook from left to right. That is, we guide the yarn behind our extended stitch. And pull it into our stitch from the previous row. This way, we have 2 stitches on the hook. Now we grab the working yarn, here it is, and pull it through the 2 stitches on the hook. That's it, the index finger can be removed. We have made the first extended stitch. We continue in the same way. We insert the hook into the next stitch of the previous row. We wrap the working yarn towards us, and the hook towards us. There we go, we've wrapped it, then we pull it tight here, ensuring the yarn sits tightly on the index finger. Next, with the hook from left to right, we catch the yarn that falls from the index finger. It should go behind this front yarn. We pull it into the stitch from the previous row. We have 2 stitches on the hook. We catch the working yarn and work these 2 stitches in one motion. We can now remove the index finger. We have knitted the second extended stitch. So let's continue, that is, we insert the hook into the next stitch of the previous row. We wrap the yarn around the hook, then catch the yarn that is farther from us with the hook. We pull it into the stitch. From the previous row, we catch the working yarn and pull it through the 2 stitches on the hook. We pull out the index finger and tighten it. This way, we see that we already have loops going up. Let's continue. We insert the hook into the next loop of the previous row. We make a yarn over. We catch the yarn that is falling from the index finger with the hook and pull it through the loop. Here you can pull on the working yarn after this. This loop on our index finger can be pulled tight. It can be made smaller. Alternatively, it can be pulled out. After this, we pick up the working yarn and secure our pulled loop so it doesn't unravel. This way, we get these types of loops. That is, we control the length of our pulled loops ourselves. They can be made slightly larger or smaller. So, we are crocheting these elongated loops with the purl side. Here's our purl side, and the loops form on the front side. Let's continue. At the end of the row, I crocheted 1 single crochet to keep the edge straight. We make 1 chain stitch to rise and move to the next row. We turn the work. Now we will be crocheting from the front side. Here are our loops. On the front side, here is our row. We will crochet with regular single crochets. we finished crocheting, make 1 chain stitch to rise, turn the work. Here we have the purl side. From the purl side, we will again form elongated loops. At the beginning, 1 single crochet. Next, we insert the hook. That is, we continue to pull loops in the same way. We yarn over the hook, catch the yarn, and pull it from left to right. Again, we pick up the working yarn and pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. I will crochet a few more rows. I want to see how the loops will look in the fabric. This is the kind of fur we ended up with. This method of pulling loops is often used for making carpets. This side serves as the base of the mat, and this is the pile itself. Some people trim these little loops. Here, you get ordinary threads. Well, the fluff sticks out like this depending on personal preference. It turns out that when you knit the front side, the loops are pulled from the back. They pull up when you turn and knit here. You knit a regular row of single crochet stitches. This lesson is now over. If it was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and see you at the next classes.